Want to take your fitness game to the next level? It's not just about hitting the gym or going for that daily run. What you eat plays a huge role in how you feel and perform. Picture this. Your workout is the engine, but your nutrition? That's the fuel. When you combine the two, you're setting yourself up for success. Let's dive into how workouts and healthy nutrition work together to transform your body. Fuel up for maximum results. Think of your body as a car. You wouldn't drive without gas, right? That's exactly what happens when you exercise without the right food. Carbs are your go-to source of energy, so grab some oatmeal, a banana, or a smoothie before your workout to keep those energy levels high. Afterward, protein is your best friend. It helps rebuild those muscles you worked so hard to break down. Try a protein shake, grilled chicken, or even a handful of nuts. Hydration, your secret weapon. Ever felt sluggish halfway through a workout? You might be dehydrated. Water keeps your body cool, your muscles energized, and your brain focused. Sip water throughout the day and make sure to hydrate during your sweat sessions. It's a simple, yet game-changing step. Balanced meals. Better workouts. Your meals shouldn't just taste good, they should work for you. Lean proteins, healthy fats, and colorful veggies give you everything you need to recover. Stay strong and feel amazing. Think salmon, avocado, leafy greens, or a power-packed salad. Your body will thank you. Conclusion. Ready to crush your fitness goals? Pair your workouts with healthy nutrition and watch your energy soar, your muscles grow, and your confidence skyrocket. You've got this. Want more tips, workout plans, and nutrition guides? Head over to workoutways.com for everything you need to level up your fitness journey. Your next transformation is just a click away. You can find link in the description.